What's the meaning of BBC? BBC. BBC.
BBC. BBC. BBC stands for the British Broadcasting Corporation, a public service broadcaster headquartered in London, UK. It was established in 1922 and is the world's oldest national broadcaster. The BBC operates a range of television, radio, and online services that are funded by a license fee paid by households in the UK. The corporation is known for its impartiality, quality programming, and commitment to education. Its radio programs are especially popular, with the BBC World Service being a major source of news and information for listeners around the world. The BBC's mission is to inform, educate, and entertain, while reflecting the diversity of the audiences it serves.